Hey peeps, Julian here from Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we are doing question 2.3 from the 2017 IEB Maths Lit Paper 2. This question deals with data handling and some statistics such as determining the mean and calculating the range of various pieces of data. So they've given us this bar chart and they said the estimated cost of completing a first year Bachelor of Commerce degree, so BCom, at various South African universities in 2015 is shown below. Then we must refer to this graph when answering the following questions. So as you can see, it's a breakdown of the cost. So for example, University of Cape Town cost 50,000 Rand for first year fees to do a BCom, and in Wits it's 42,010 Rand. So going on to the first question, they've in 2.3.1 determine the mean, or which is the average cost of completing a first year BCom degree. So to calculate the mean of the data, we need to first find out what the total, so the sum of all the fees are, divided by the number of data points there are. So for 2.3.1, so we first need to find the total sum of the fees. So this is going to equal, so it's 50,000 from UCT plus 42,010 Rand plus 40,700 on to the next line plus 39,170 plus that's 38,600 plus 32,164 plus 30,160 plus 30,115 plus 28,570 and finally plus 14,507. So just to double check, so we've got that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 universities, and on the graph we double check, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 universities. So we've added them all together. So put all these numbers onto your calculator and I get that the sum comes to 345,996. So then therefore your average or your mean that they're asking for, the same thing, remember, is equal to the total, so it's that 345,996 divided by the number of universities, so that's 10, which is going to equal R 34,000, so in my calculator 599 Rand and 60 cents. So that is the answer for 2.3.1. They then ask us in the next question to calculate the range in cost for the first year BCom degree. Now range is your difference from your highest number to your lowest number. So the difference in highest minus lowest. So for 2.3.2, range equals your highest minus your lowest. So your highest being 50,000, which is from UCT, and your lowest being from UNISA is 14,507. So if you want to see where I got that from, it's 50,000 and 14,507. Put these values into your calculator and you get that your range is equal to 35,493 Rand. Okay, and on to 2.3.3. It says the cost of completing the first year of a BCom at the University of Limpopo was 21,390. If the cost was included in this graph that's above, which university would represent the median cost of completing a first year of a BCom at a South African university in 2015? So now median is also your middle number. So it's saying that Limpopo is 21,000. So it will actually slot in over here. So just above UNISA. So if it had to be added, this is where Limpopo would be. So Limpopo University. Okay. So there would be another data point. Now your median, so for 2.3.3, your median is your middle number. So that's your, in the formula to find the position of the median. So the median position is equal to the number of points, okay, and it's in the middle, so it's the halfway mark divided by 2, but we also add 1. That's part of the formula for the median. So we know that the number of points is, it was 10, but now because we've added Limpopo, it's now 11. So it'll be 11 plus 1 over 2, which is 12 over 2, which is 6. So it's the 6th position. So then, therefore, your median university will be the 6th cheapest university. So going from the bottom, this is your first position. Limpopo would be your second. Venda would be your third. Free State would be your fourth. Pretoria would be your fifth. And the University of Stellenbosch would be the 6th. So the median university would be Stellenbosch. So Stellenbosch University. That concludes question 2.3. Before I go, I just want to give a special shout out to our epic sponsors for making this video possible. Please read more about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorials. And remember, if you can't find the answer to the question that you have, send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. And until next time, stay epic.